The next step in the lesson, you're going to have to split up in your tables, all right? In your table groups, you're sitting with 4 folks, with this exception, and we'll work on that. One side of your table, working in pairs, should really dig deeper with learner A, and the other side of the table should dig deeper with learner B. I'll let you guys decide which one your partner and you will work on. So I'll come around and give one copy of the learner A worksheet and the learner B worksheet, and you guys can figure this out on your own. But the next step is for us to dig deep by looking at multiple ways of representing how these learners are thinking about this task. You'll notice that on all of the tables, I've left you guys with square tiles. The square tiles will really come in handy, I think, for some of us, as we are puzzling with the pictorial version of this pattern. So what I mean by that is I want you to draw a picture. I want you to draw a picture of how learner A or learner B sees this pattern growing. So I'm just going to throw on the overhead here a copy of the worksheet for learner A, and you'll see that the first step is to do a pictorial representation, so a picture. I want you to play around with the tiles and sketch out what you see happening in those first 3 patterns, but I want you to pay attention to color coding. You're free to use those tiles, like I said, or markers if you need them. I can make those available as well. All right. I'll give you 30 seconds to kind of divvy up the work as far as who's going to do learner A and who's going to do learner B, and then I'll check back in with you. 30 seconds.
So how I think that he did it. So say that's like the middle button, the black one, and then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, and I think the way that the person was learner B was thinking was that there would be a 3 for every 11, like, and there's so there's 11 3.
Let's change that. Wait, okay, so 3, and then you have it, you got this. It's basically what you're doing, okay? So for like this one, you have to like flash dots down there. Okay, next, verbal, like right next to each other. Describing your own words, color, sees paragraph. Okay. So that's staying the same, and this is pattern 2. Yeah. So pattern 2, do like that. And then pattern 2 is just it's funny because pattern 3 does 3 things. Yeah. Alright. Same with pattern 2 and pattern 1. It's a pattern. Alright, saying okay. Verbal representation. Describe in your own words how learner B sees the pattern growing. Be sure to mention what he is saying, and what is changing. Okay, so staying the same. How does I don't get how he gets to 4. Well, I think that he counted like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then he did the 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Wait, how did he get the 4? I think he went like the middle is saying 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. While 1, 2, 3. After. But with pattern 11, so there's more pattern 1, 2, 3. You get it? Yeah. Then one that has to be added to each. 10. Oh yeah, 10. 10. And then 4 times 3. Then plus 13. Yeah, 13. And then until they got up to 11. That's 10. That's 10. So they got up to 11. Instead of 4. 10. Now I get it. Yeah. And then this is 16. Basically kind of like level 1. Oh yeah. No.
No, 11 skips to 11.
Oh yeah.
So it's 34. They would add 3 each stage.
Because I thought this
Oh yeah, we should
3 more each stage.
what you use for color coding.
So started with the 4. How does it keeps getting bigger? Okay. That makes a lot of sense.
You're messed up. Okay. So we got this. So red ones explain the new ones, and the blue ones show the old ones. So the one before, and the one before, and the one before, and the one before, and so it shows that in all of them. It could be shown in this one, but I don't know.
Guys,
This is all
but
But it was proved wrong.